Okay. So thank you so much, our very inspiring twins. My upline, of course, my enroller, Coach Fernan Santiago. So sa lahat ng nandito po sa Zoom na umaabot ng 1,999, so a pleasant evening to everybody. So I'm gonna give you a quick topic on how Live Good can bring you success. Naniniwala po ba kayo na si Live Good ay totally hulog po ng langit? Ayan po. So this is really an opportunity of a lifetime. Isa pong nakakagigil na opportunity na ngayon ko lang po ito natagpuan. And you are so grateful. Pwede niyo pong tapik-tapikin po ang inyo pong mga puso at sabihin niyo po that I am blessed and I am chosen. Can you imagine sa 7 billion na tao sa buong mundo, tayo po ay kasama ng 820,000 members of Live Good na talagang puno-puno po ng pag-asa na makakamtan po ang ating pong mga pangarap, lalong-lalo na po yung ninanasa po nating maging successful. So ayan po, listen carefully, just a few minutes. I'm gonna be sharing to you some nuggets that will help you build your business to the next level of success. Okay, so by the way, I am Coach Vilma Sabulao, a diamond member of Live Good. Alam ko po, marami na pong nakakakilala sa inyo. Pero para dun pa sa hindi pa po ako kilala, ay isa po akong accountant by profession na nagretiro na po ako more than 15 years ago. So I am a single mom, a mother of 5 kids, na sila po yung naging compelling reason ko bakit po ako napunta sa network. But like all majority ng mga tao, I'm also nega. Nega. Bakit po ako nega? Kasi it took me several years before I understand this network marketing industry. Kasi ang tagal po bago ko siya naintindihan. By the way, I have a stable job nung mga time na yon. I work as an employee in the corporate world for 13 years. At okay naman po nung maliliit pa yung mga anak ko. Nag-i-enjoy pa po talaga ako, no? Kasi ang sarap kasi ng feeling yung naka-blazer ka, yung bang maganda yung trabaho mo, nasa Makati ka, yung mga ganun ba? Status symbol and everything. Pero yung katotohanan, nung lumalaki na po yung mga anak ko, yung expense at saka income hindi na po nagtagpo. Doon na po talaga ako nanalangin sa Diyos. Sabi ko, Lord, kahit ano, basta makapagtapos lang po ang aking mga anak, because I believe that education is the perpetual hemp to happiness. And to God be all the glory, kasi na-introduce po sa akin tong network marketing na kung saan pinakisamahan ko lang yung kaibigan ko. Kaya dyan sa mga iba na nagsishare kayo, ako I have this patience, no, na pag umaayaw po sa akin, talagang tinatsaga ko po kasi I was once upon a time a hard-headed person, prospect na it took me time na bago po ako talaga sumali. Actually, sa unang pagkakataon sumali ako for the sake of pakikisama. Alam mo, yung hindi lang po kumahindian yung best friend ko nung time na yon. In fact, meron po siyang tampo sa akin kasi nitong huli, sabi niya sa akin, magne-network ka pala. Noong time na yon, hindi ka man lang nagtrabaho, bumili ka lang ng package. At yun po yung forever living. Pero talagang hindi ko po yun ginawa. At ang maganda lamang po noon kasi napagbigyan ko po siyang umattend po ako ng seminar na kung saan may mga banker na nag-retire, okay? And then they do that business full time. So naintriga po talaga ako. And then there are 2 particular words na nag-sink in po sa mind ko nung time na yon, na sabing ganon is the leverage. So yung salitang leverage, doon ko lang din naintindihan na it's all about duplication. But nevertheless, pumasok lang sa kabilang tenga ko at lumabas dito sa kabilang tenga. And then, naintindihan ko din po yung GLA. You can be successful now in this business once you have that good learning attitude. Pero despite of those words na narinig ko nung time na yon, wala talaga. Parang sabi kong ganun, this is not for me. It's not for me. So, nandun po talaga yung presence ng self-sabotage. Pero, fast forward, yun nga po, nung natrap na ako into a corner na talagang pahirapan na to, kakamot ka na talaga ng hindi makate, no? Talagang sasabihin mo, ano to? Bakit nandito na ako sa sitwasyon? Akala ko, pag nagsunog ako ng kilay, okay na ang lahat. Pero, it was really one of the best opportunity I came into my life because when I joined the network marketing industry, I was just driven by a need. A need na gusto ko lamang po yung 5 kong anak makatapos po sa pag-aaral at makakain po kami ng 3 beses po sa isang araw. Kasi sa totoo lang, dumating po ako sa point na lahat po ng mga bagay-bagay napuputol ang kuryente, napuputol ang tubig, hindi nakakabayad ng rental on time. Tapos naman, alam mo yung hand-to-mouth existence na pag wala ka talagang income ng araw na yun, paano na yung baon ng mga bata, yung tuition fee, paano na yung pagkain namin. So it was so hard and difficult during those time, but I really have that deep desire. I really have that compelling reason na for me to open my heart, to humble down and be teachable. Kaya ngayong gabi po, I'm here sitting down in front of you. Listen my humble story, kasi kung nangyari po to sa akin, hindi po imposibleng mangyari po sa inyo. As you can see, it changed already many people's lives. Okay po, so ngayon my topic for this evening, okay, bibilisan ko lang po kasi I have 30 minutes to explain this, how Live Good can bring you success. Pero kung hindi ko po matapos ng 30 minutes, bear with me at sisiguraduhin ko po na it's all worth it of your time. Okay lang po ba yon? Apps, okay lang po ba? Can you please give me a heart emoji? Okay po. So ayan, how Live Good can bring success. Grabe naman tong Live Good na to. Alam po natin na si Live Good is really a disruption in this industry. Alam po natin na si Live Good is a revolutionary company na kung sino man po dito sa atin ang ayaw po ng network marketing, i-alok nyo na po ito sa kanila kasi we really have a good news dahil lahat po ng pahirap sa industriyang ito tinanggal na. Wala nang quota, wala na lahat, wala nang pahirap, walang force buy, force selling, walang point system. All you have to do is just subscribe because we are the membership that pays. At ang nakakaganda po, this is really a disruption na ginawa po yung ating pong business ng napakadali. So kung ganun po na ang ating pong para po tayo ay maging successful, ay talagang super gaan na. Okay, super gaan na. Dito po tayo para mag-aral. Kasi I know that those people who are in the Zoom, you are called to be winners. Pag winners po, yun po yung mga taong dreamers. At yung mga tao pong dreamers, they are the people who are learner. Kaya congratulations sa mga nandito po sa Zoom na to. And I know in the few minutes, we will be learning a lot. So, be at the moment, get your focus and your energy. If you want to have your ball pen, you do some screenshots, then that would be fine. Okay po? Start na po tayo. So, that's it. Na-introduce ko na po sa inyo ang aking pong sarili. So, nag-join po ako noong February 10 of 2023. Sobra pong nakaka-blessed kasi despite ng situation na nag-no po ako sa upline ko, he kept on calling me 22 of January to 26 and I said no to him. Talagang when I prayed, talagang si Lord na po ang nag-intervene at the rest was history. I become ng Live Good ng minuto lang. Minuto lang, walang presentation na formal. In just a few minutes, I sign up. I join in. Nagkita kami ni Coach Fernan, ni Upline Fernan, and doon, trinabaho ko na po. In 1 day and a half, I become silver. And then in 1 week time, I become gold. Napasala po ako sa top 100 ng leaderboard. In 38 days, I become platinum. Inasahan ko po na maging diamond in 3 to 4 months. Kaso nga lang po, hindi po nangyari kasi the timetable of the Lord is better than mine. Pero nevertheless, I made it on the 5th month at nagpapasalamat po ako because God has all the plans for me. Ayan po. So ngayon, I'm so thankful and blessed kasi po, I am surrounded with many leaders in my team. Nagra-rank po yan ng 16,000 to 17,000, nagpa-fluctuate. May mga nalalaglag. We have 4 diamonds including me in my team. We have 16 platinums and countless gold, silver, and many more. So ayan po. So sobrang nakaka-bless po na yung simpleng decision ko na hindi ko po inasahan na ganun po tremendous yung result na I will never expect na Live Good will sprout like mushrooms. As I always say, I am on my phase 2 of my business kasi sa phase 1 nakita ko po that I focus on 20-80 Pareto law. I just focus on working with people who are decided, who are ready. But this time around, I am working closely to people na malaki po ang pangarap at lagi ko pong tinatanong sa kanila, are you in or are you out? Kasi meron pong formula ang success. At itong gabi na to, kasama po dito yung formula na yan. So, let's start. Okay po. So, my topic, I gonna show you this. Understand the industry you belong. So we cannot do everything that we wanted to do in Live Good, not unless you understand what is really network marketing. And then I have to share to you the self-evaluation, your self-realization. We gonna tap on defining your why. Kasi pag yung why mo is very, very clear, your how to is very easy. And well, what else, no? Yung inyo pong willingness to learn. Willing ka bang matuto? Are you coachable? Willing to follow direction and willing to obey? Pag sa tingin mo, meron ka po nun and you are willing to take massive action, then this business is really for you. So sorry po, ginawa ko na po itong 10 D's to become successful. So yung last part po ng topic ko, ituturo ko po sa inyo yung mga simpleng D's, the letter D in our life that we need to possess for us to really become very, very successful. Okay. So, ito pong network marketing na to, ang dami po kasing allergic dyan eh. Ang dami po dyang ayaw. Yung bang parang alam nila, pag alam nila na network marketer ka, parang X agad. Alam mo yun, lumayo-layo ka sa akin. So, pero ang hindi na naiintindihan, ano ba talaga itong network marketing? Ang alam kasi nila, it is something related to scam. And I could say that this industry is really misjudged. At sabi nga po ng ating CEO, this industry is broken and it has to be fixed. And praise God, because through Live Good, this has been fixed. So ano po itong network marketing? Mahihirapan po tayong umusad at maniwala po sa uma-attain po natin yung success pag hindi po natin naiintindihan ang network marketing. So for me, as I believe, and I know a lot of people in this business, network marketing is really a profession in a business platform. So the more you become professional in doing your business, then that is the time you will earn a professional income. Now, here is the question. Paano mo sasabihin na isa kang professional network marketer na wala namang degree? Unlike teachers, unlike doctors, architects, accountants, business administrations, and so on and so forth, na kailangan mo magtapos sa isang universidad, magtapos ka ng isang kurso para masabi kang isang professional. So sa network marketing, how could you treat yourself to become a professional in this business kung wala naman pala tayo natapos? So, what I could say is the educational support system that we have, kailangan po natin talagang mag-aral. Kasi dito po, maniwala po tayo na as we can see, as we can know, especially here in Live Good, na in just a span of time of 9 months, 10 months, 11 months pa lang po, grabe na po yung naabot. Yung pagkaalam ko po, if I'm not mistaken, Live Good gives away 46 billion US dollar in commissions. Where can you find an opportunity, an amazing opportunity like this? So network marketing is a profession in a business platform. So kailangan maintindihan po natin yan, that the more you help yourself to become professional, then that is the time you're gonna make a professional income. So how could you get that kind of professional skills? Through trainings. And congratulations to those who are tuning in. Naka-plug in po kayo sa training ng DMW. So network marketing is the fastest growing business model in the world today. We know that. And network marketing is building a huge community of people who gonna buy the product, use the product, and share the opportunity. Are you with me? So network marketing is all about duplication, leveraging, and building a residual income. So napakasarap po talaga ng industriyang ito. At ang network marketing is all about delayed gratification concept. So ibig sabihin, hindi ito agad-agad na pag sumali ka, milyonaryo ka na kagad. Pag sumali ka, kita ka na kagad. No. So meron po tayo dito mga steps na gagawin for us to get that kind of residual income. Okay? So now, allow me to share this to you, that the ability and the discipline yourself to delay the gratification in the short period of time in order to enjoy the greater rewards in the long term is indispensable, and it is a prerequisite for success. This is according to Brian Tracy. So ibig sabihin po talaga, kailangan talaga natin mag-effort, kailangan talaga natin magtrabaho, mag-extend ng time, money, effort, and energy, and everything para po tayo ay maging very, very successful. Okay po? So, I gonna illustrate it to you a little more. So, nagsasalita ba ako ng mabilis? Kasi I am trying to maximize my time. Ngayon, alam niyo po ba na ako po, since ako po ay isang accountant, at in fairness, pinagsunugan ko po yung kilay ko kasi galing po ako sa mahirap na pamilya. Kung hindi pa po ako naging scholar, baka hindi po ako nakatapos. Ngayon, para isakripisyo ko po yung natapos ko at i-engage ko yung sarili ko dito full-time, talagang kinarir ko po ito, inaral ko po ito, I read a lot of books, I attended a lot of seminars, local and international, and I tune in sa marami pong mga authors, mga successful people, a successful businessman. At dito tiningnan ko po, no, like for example, one of my favorite authors, si Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, ano po ang sabi niya? A network marketing is a business, is the perfect business for people who like helping other people. So ang sarap pala ng business na to kasi ginagawa mo itong business na to hindi lang para sa sarili mo. At doon po talaga nahuli niya ako. Okay? Nakuha niya yung passion ng heart ko. Naisipin mo, the more you help more people in your organization, the more you will attain your goal. Maganda po ang network marketing, right? So what else? Network marketing gives you the opportunity to face your fears, deal with them, overcome them, and bring out the winner that you have living inside you. Ako po naniniwala na lahat po tayo gifted. Pero minsan we are wrapped up with fears and doubts. Yung mga tinatawag po nating self-limiting beliefs na tayo po mismo yung nagsasabotage po ng sarili natin. But I thank God, through this network marketing business, alam nyo, there will be somebody who will really inspire you, who will really believes in you and push you that you can do it. So doon po, no, nalalakas po yung mukha mo, kakapal ang mukha mo, alam mo yun, yung parang you really get out your comfort zone and bring out the best in you. At doon po natin makikita na, kaya ko pala, pwede pala. So isa po yun sa criteria na nakita ko na napakaganda po ng network marketing. And so what else, no? Why am I saying this to you? Sinishare ko po ito sa inyo para matapos na po yung ating pong mga self-limiting beliefs, no? Yung ating pong panghuhusga na ang network marketing is masama. Sa totoo lang, ito po yung profession na, grabe, kakaiba. So what else, no? According to Robert Kiyosaki again, the richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for job. So ang mga network marketer, tayo po yung mga 10%ers or 5%ers in the world. Because the majority, they just want to have that comfortable job. I'm not against employment, but majority, sino po ba talaga ang yumaman na empleyado? I'm so sorry. Ang yumayaman po dyan, sino po yung nandoon sa pinakatuktok? Yung may-ari. Maybe if you are the CEO or nandoon ka sa ladder position sa mas mataas. Pero kung tayo po ay nandito sa majority, ano po ang mangyayari? I'm gonna show you some slides later on. So doon po yun, that's what Robert Kiyosaki said. And ito pong si Bill Gates, nung mga musmus pa po ako sa network marketing, isa po ito sa mga nagbigay po sa akin ng awakening point. Nung nabasa ko po itong sinabi niya na, if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I would do network marketing. Alam niyo po, syempre, despite of ginawa ni Bill Gates recently, it's not about it, no? Ang aking pinupunto dito, nung mga time na yon, nung nakita ko po yung sabi ko, wow, Bill Gates gustong mag-network? Wala pa akong alam sa network marketing noon. So this must be something. So yung po yung isa sa mga nag-call ng attention ko po na talagang inaral ko po because of this successful authors, of this successful businessman na kanino ba tayo maniniwala talaga? Kaya dito po sa ating pong paglilive good, kanino ka maniniwala? Sa taong nanakawin ang pangarap mo o sa upline mo na walang ginawa kundi i-chase ang mga pangarap mo na abutin mo? So, to all the guests, no, to all the Live Good family coaches who are in the Zoom, yun po yung importante na kailangan po natin ma-evaluate para po natin magawa yung pinaka-best natin. We need to understand what the industry is all about. Kasi pag nakita po natin at naunawaan natin what network marketing is, you will truly love it. Kung ako po nung nag-umpisa is gusto ko lamang po na makakain kami ng 3 beses ang araw, mapatapos ko lang yung mga anak ko sa pag-aaral po nila. But my life changed because of network marketing. And I also so grateful kasi dito po sa network marketing, ito po yung industriya na nakita ko po yung purpose ko sa buhay, and that is to share other people my humble story and to help other people attain their goal as well. So yun po yung network marketing that I'm really so proud of. So ngayon, allow me to differentiate to you ano pa ang pagkakaiba ng linear income at ng leverage income. When I used to work as an employee, alam niyo po yung umiikot-ikot lang po yung trabaho. Trabaho, sisweldo, babayad bills, babayad utang, babayad bills, papasok na naman uli, babayad, di ba, sisweldo, babayad utang. And I remember those time, reciprocal lang po ang relationship. Yung boss ko masaya, ako masaya, pero alam nyo ang masakit na katotohanan nun, pag yung kapatid ko manghingi, nanay ko, parang ang hirap-hirap. Ang hirap tumulong kasi wala ka naman talagang itutulong. Di ba? So, parang parang I don't like this, 'di ba? So ngayon, doon ko nakita na ang network marketing, if you want a true financial freedom, it can only be achieved if you put the power of leverage to really work for you. You can see on this illustrations na ikaw ay nandito, nag-iisa ka pa lang. And this business is all about influence, and everybody influences someone. Can you see that? So mamaya expound ko po yan later on. So doon ko po na unti-unting naiintindihan na wow, kakaiba to. So wow, dadami ang oras ko. Okay po? So that is the difference between the linear income as well as the passive income. Ano yung passive income? You allow the you are even earning even you are not working anymore. Okay po? So yun po yun. Yun po yung leverage income. Now, gusto ko pong i-share po ito sa inyo. Sa lahat po ng mga Live Good family, ito pong i-illustrate ko po sa inyo is very, very important to me. At kahit ito lang po ang sinishare ko sa lahat, I hope na for tonight, makita niyo po ito. I'm just a little bit sad kasi ito pong W principle, somebody introduced this to me way back many, many years ago. And I'm so sad kasi yung tao pong nag-introduce nito sa akin, nalulungkot ako kasi may sakit siya. Alam mo yung success na dapat he deserves, hindi ko nakita sa kanya. Sabi ko, ano kayang pagkakaiba? Kasi siya ang nag-discuss nito sa akin. Pero although na-enhance ko na lang siya in a way, pero doon siya po ang pumukaw sa akin nung musmus kong kaalaman sa network marketing. So what is the W principle is all about? And I want you to fully understand on this kasi pag naintindihan po natin, hindi nyo po hahayaan na ang subscription nyo ay pababayaan nyo. Hindi nyo po hahayaan na yung opportunity po dito sa Live Good ay hindi nyo po talaga isi-share at gagawin. Okay po? So let me start on this. So the W principle tells us na pag tayo po ay nag-umpisa po sa business dito po sa Live Good, it would take a lot of effort. Effort po talaga, malawak. But as you can see, ito pong baliktad na letter V, okay, and the letter W, dito po sa tuktok, mayroon po diyang period. Dito sa pinaka-baseline, yung effort, medyo malawak. Yan po yung tinatawag na delayed gratification concept, na kung saan, sa umpisa, malawak talagang trabaho mo. At ano yung trabaho na yon? This is all about learning, inviting, and teaching. So dito, kaya pagbago pa lang po tayo, you have to plug into the system, and all the time talaga, we need to plug into the system. And as much as we can, kailangan talaga natin mag-learn. Learn everything. Learn about the company, the product, the pay plan. Learn about the industry. A massive learning, kailangan po talaga natin yon. Because we cannot give what we do not have. What we deposit is what we withdraw. What you sow is what you reap. Paano kung hindi po tayo nagle-learn? Anong ituturo mo? Pag sinabi nila, yung Live Good scam yan. Ha? Talaga? Ano sasabihin mo? Oo nga, no? Diba? Sasali ka na dun sa mga taong wala ding may alam. I'm so sorry to tell you this. And the next effort that we're gonna do is invite. Ano ba yung invite? Mag-i-invite po tayo ng mga like-minded individuals like us. Yung mga taong dreamers. Yung mga tao pong poor, hungry, and driven. Yung mga tao po na may influence. The people who got authority, the people who are business-minded, mag-i-invite tayo na mag-i-invite yung mga taong gustong tumulong. So yun po yun, invite massively. And by the way, invitation is the gateway for us to become very successful in Live Good. And the latter part, the last part is teaching. Pag sinabi po nating network marketing, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, it's all about duplication. And now my question is, how do you want to duplicate? Because everything duplicates. Bad duplicates, wrong duplicates, right duplicates, good duplicates, positive duplicates, negative duplicates. Anong gusto nating mag-duplicate? Kaya lahat po nagdo-duplicate. Kaya we have to be very, very careful on how we want to duplicate ourselves. At mangyayari lamang po yan through proper education, through teaching. At saan tayo magtuturo? By plugging into the system. So ito pong effort na to malawak. Pero 2 years from now, naririnig po natin kay Coach Fernan, bigyan mo lang ito ng focus, the laser focus. Okay? That you have to focus on your right focus. Putting all your energy into this business na after 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, sabihin na natin, matagal na yon. Meron ka ng time freedom. You have all the freedom that you want in your life. Kasi maghihirap ka lang sa umpisa. But there is a so-called delayed gratification concept na kahit natutulog ka na, yung income tuloy-tuloy, dire-diretso. Gusto niyo ba yun? Grabe, no? And the next letter V on the left side, no? This is a letter W. This business is all about sharing to people. And we will always start with one person. And each one can influence someone. Di ba yung isang kakilala mo may kakilala? At yung kakilala ng kakilala mo may kakilala. At nung nag-sign up dito sa Live Good, may $25 ka. At nung marami nang pumapasok sa'yo, yung dollars mo dumadami, yung tao mo dumadami. Take a look on this. And don't you know that Live Good is open in 200 plus countries? Na kung saan it is widely open at magkakaroon tayo dito ng tinatawag na unlimited people with unlimited income. Hello! My network now open in France, in Singapore, in Malaysia, in US, in Canada, in Japan, and any other parts of the world. Grabe, no? In Egypt, in Qatar, in Saudi Arabia, Israel, and many, many more. So ngayon, tingnan nyo tong W na to. What happened to you? You multiply yourself. Isipin mo yan. My team right now, 16,000 to 17,000. Magtrabaho lang ng isang oras sa isang araw, you have 16,000 hours, 17,000 hours in one day. And how could you compare your time if you are alone? Nagtatrabaho ka, papasok sa sweldo, babayad utang, babayad bills. Papasok sa sweldo, babayad utang, babayad bills, babayad utang. Hello? Pero nung nakita ko po itong W principle, sabi ko, good enough. Good enough. Pag-aaralan ko talaga to. And take a look on this. The more people you have, the more money you get. At pag nangyari po ito, tingnan nyo ha, widely open. You can never stop people chasing on their dreams. You can never say to your income, tama na, Live Good, ayoko na. Dire-diretso po yan. Hello. Lalong-lalo na yung matching bonus ni Live Good. The more you create more leaders, the more you create more enrollees. Andyan yung pinaka-main dish ng pay plan ni Live Good. Hello guys, are you with me? Are you learning so far? Can you please type diamond emoji in the chat box? Kung naliniwala po kayo dito po sa pinakikita ko po sa inyo. You multiply your people. At ano po ang mangyayari sa inyo dyan? Magkakaroon po tayo dyan ng tinatawag na time leveraging. And if we have the time leveraging, that is the time we got the money leveraging. Alam nyo, you can do some screenshot on this. Nung ito po nakita ko more than 15 years ago, sabi kong ganun, grabe naman to. Hindi ko po yan nakalimutan. At wala pong PowerPoint ng time na yon. Just a small piece of paper na i-drawing po yan sa akin at itinatak ko na po yan sa utak ko, sa isip kote ko na hindi ko na po yan nakalimutan for the rest of my life. At yan po yung weapon ko. Yan po yung source ng belief ko bakit inaral at kinarir ko na po ang network marketing. Hello? You have to establish the form of belief. The unshakable belief na nandiyan ka sa pinakamagandang industriya na hindi mo siya bibigyan ng any single doubts in your mind to pollute you, to destroy you, to distract you, na para hindi mo gawan ang network marketing na to. Lalong-lalo na po si Live Good. Okay? So I hope na meron tayong na-learn. Now let me continue. So it's really very, very powerful. And the second part that I want to share to you is the self-realization, is the self-evaluation. Kahit may napakaganda pong network marketing industry, kung wala po tayo nito, wala din. And this is my challenge to everybody. Check this out. Find it for you. Number one, may dahilan ba? Bakit gagawin mo to? Is your why big enough? Clear enough? Does it ignite you? Ngiti ba yan sa'yo, yung mga pangarap mo? Nagbibigay ba yan ng lakas sa'yo? Nagbibigay ba yan sa'yo ng excitement, ng energy, ng power? Yung why mo na yan. Hello? Pag meron ka po nun, then check. So what about the willingness to learn? Kasi hindi po ito overnight quick rich, hindi to po overnight get rich quick scheme. No. You really have to learn because earning will follow and must be coachable, obey, and follow direction. So kung meron po tayo niyan, that we are willing to learn, okay lang tayong turuan, tapos we are coachable, we are humble, and we will follow direction, big check na po yan sa inyo. And the last part is the massive action. This self-evaluation and self-realization, if you possess this within you, alam nyo, dito po masasabi ko, success is just a matter of time. Success is just a matter of time. Kasi yan po yung weapon mo, yun yung panghahawakan mo eh. Alam mo na kung ano yung path. Alam mo na kung ano yung kinakailangan mong gawin para ka maging successful. So know your why, define your why, okay? Tell yourself that I have to be willing to learn, I need to be coachable, I need to humble down, I need to obey, I need to follow direction, especially sa mga uplines natin na meron ng certain proven results at nagtuturo sa atin na ito ang gagawin mo, ganito lang, ganito lang. Pero kung meron po tayong acne, yung tinatawag po na alam ko na yan, at punong-puno po tayo ng procrastination or laziness, I'm so sorry to tell this, it will really sabotage your success. Okay po? So, importante po yung self-evaluation. Kaya pag nakita niyo po ito, alam niyo, mag-pray po kayo. Pag makulim po ang nakikita niyo sa Live Good at hindi pa po yung nabibigyan ng specific reason why you are going to take a massive action, magdasal po kayo. Lord, ano bang purpose ko dito sa mundo? Ako, para sa akin, tingnan niyo yung pamilya niyo. Tingnan yung mukha ng mga anak mo. Tingnan mo ang kapaligiran mo. Tingnan mo yung community mo. Tingnan mo yung sarili mo. Are you sickly? Are you healthy? Are you living in a life that you really wanted to? Pag wala pa, then identify. List down your why. Hello? So I hope that this makes sense. Nagme-make sense po. So next is, let me show you this. Ano nakikita niyo sa screen? Live Good ay isang eroplano. Tayo po ay living in this world short period. We're just a visitor. At lahat tayo ay naglalakbay. Sa paglalakbay, pwede kang sumakay ng eroplano, pwede kang sumakay ng tricycle, pedicab, kotse, or pwede kang sumakay ng bangka, pwede kang sumakay ng barko. Pero si Live Good, ang sasakyan natin ay para pong tulad ng eroplano. Na kung saan, yan ang magdadala sa atin papunta dun sa ating pong mga why sa buhay. Ano ba yung mga why natin sa buhay? Sige, mangarap po tayo ngayon. Libre naman mangarap eh. No? Ano ba yung mga pangarap natin? Bahay at sasakyan, diba? House and lot, sasakyan. No, the other day, nangarap po kami ng bahay. Grabe. Kaila Coach Sheila, yung mag-asawa na yon. Hanggang ngayon, iniisip-isip ko yung bahay na yon. So cars, the charity, tumulong sa ibang tao. Education, savings, pension, travels, personal growth, health and wellness, and many, many more. Alam niyo po, prior to Live Good, marami po akong mga pangarap pa. Although yung iba kong pangarap na ibigay na po ng network marketing sa mga dati ko pong company. Pero yung mga pangarap ko na yun, binaon ko na po sa baol. Alam niyo po yung baol? Bisaya po na term yan, sa waray-waray. Yun po yung parang kahoy na parang maleta na rectangle na medyo matangkad. Okay po, doon po nakatago na yon, nilak ko na po yon, kinandado ko na. Kasi alam ko, wala na eh. Ayoko na rin mag-network. Pero nung nakikita ko po si Live Good, kinilig ako uli, nabuhay uli ang aking mga pangarap. Buhay na buhay na buhay. Hello? Ngayon, take a look on this. Pinakikita ko po yan sa inyo para i-remind kayo that as long as we are still alive, we can dream. It's never too late to chase on our dream. At asaan ka? Ayan ka oh. Tinitingala mo yung mga pangarap mo. At ngayong araw na to, anong ginagawa mo? Nakikinig ka. And I know, in listening, you are learning. And in learning, next na gonna do is share. Share mo. Ay, grabe, ganun lang pala. And in sharing, you duplicate. Pansinin mo, nag-share ka ng opportunity ng Live Good. Nag-umpisa ka sa isa, tapos bigla na lang lumobo. Naging bronze, naging silver, naging gold, naging platinum, hanggang naging diamond ka na. Because once you share, you duplicate. And once you duplicate, you start to multiply. And if you multiply, you are into network. And I'm telling you, my Live Good family, that network marketing is obtaining freedom. Time freedom, financial freedom, knowledge freedom, health freedom, travel freedom. Okay? Charitable freedom, whatever freedom that you want in your life. So ngayon sa nakikita nyo, stair-step po yan. And congratulations that you are in the Zoom, that you are here hungry for learning to possess that kind of belief, unshakable belief that you will start from listening and you learn and sharing, duplicating, multiplying, and eventually you are into network marketing. So I hope na ito pong illustrations na to nakakabigay po sa atin ng clear picture na hindi po lahat ay nakukuha ng isang pitik. It's really a process that we really have to pass through. And what we are showing to you, that there is truly a formula to success. At dito po sa Live Good, 100% okay na po ang ating pong company. We might not be perfect, but we are second to nothing. So dito, ang gagawin na lang po natin is really to work on ourselves. Work on our skills, work on our mindsets, work on our strategy. Those are the aspects in ourselves, no? Kailangan po nating i-work out. Okay po? So now, next. So yun po yung gusto ko lang pong i-share sa inyo. And the last part na I wanna share to you, may time pa ba ako? Okay, few minutes na lang po. Is the 10 Ds to become successful. Number 1, para maging successful po tayo, check this out with you. Are you disgusted? The first thing that you're gonna do in your life, you want to become successful, just be disgusted. Alam mo yung bad trip ka na sa buhay? Yung bad trip ka na ang hirap-hirap naman ito. Lagi na lang napuputulan ng kuryente, ng tubig. Alam mo yung tao sa'yo, ang tiingin, ang liit-liit mo. Diba? Hello? Yung disgustment is a form of emotions that can lead you to change. Pag nararamdaman mo yung disgustment na yan, na bad trip ka na at ayaw mo nang maulit-ulit yan sa buhay mo, pasalamatan mo sarili mo, pero gamitin mo yan in a positive way na kung saan you are willing to resolve the situations that you have. This is the most appropriate response to most situation. Kung ikaw ay nahihirapan niya na yan po yung pinakamagandang gawin mo, na gamitin mo yung situation mo as a compelling reason to get started. So that is the stage of disgustment. The next D para mag-succeed po tayo is yung to make a decision. Yung kung lagi na lang kapos. Ano ngayon kung hindi ka nakaka-recruit? Ano ngayon kung hindi ka nakakapag-enroll ng tao? Then enhance your skill sets. Mag-aral po tayo on how to get invite. Halimbawa, you are poor in your leadership, then become better. Halimbawa, wala kang pera, then take massive action. It takes decision to do it. Paano kung wala lang? Hayaan mo na yan. Alam mo yun? Yung complacent tayo. Contented na tayo kung ano na nangyayari. Antay na lang tayo sa matrix. Anyway, sabi naman kahit hindi mag-enroll, pwedeng kumita, pero naiinip tayo. So it takes decision even to decide to have that patience within you that you will just remain a happy subscriber. It takes decision. So what is decision? It is in your moment of decision that your destiny is being shaped. You and only you are the one responsible to do that. To have your choice, to make that decision. And it is sometimes the life choice, no? That can change your life forever. Isipin mo, ang sobrang pinagpapasalamat ko nang dahil sa powerful landing page, nag-sign up ako kasi kinilig ako, in love ako sa unang nakita ko, na hindi ko sukat akalain ganito ang mangyayari. And I thank God for the wisdom and the understanding He gives me that time. Kaya para sa mga hindi pa po nakikita yung beauty ng Live Good, I would ask you this challenge. You pray for wisdom and understanding that God will touch your mind and your heart na makita niyo po kung ano po ang nakita po namin. Because Live Good is a movement, a global movement of changing people's lives. And it takes decision for you to take action and get started seriously with Live Good. Hello? Your decision can make it your own consequences. It will rely on your decision. Number 3 is dream. Dreamers are winners. Winners are learners. Sa mga nandito sa Zoom, congratulations. At nandito po tayo talaga ay para mag-aral. Okay po? So, ito pong dreams na to, kailangan, libre naman pong mangarap eh. Lahat ng pangarap natin are available. Sasakyan, may sasakyan, bibilhin mo nga lang. House and lot, andyan. Hello? Andyan lang yung mga pangarap natin. Trabahuin lang natin. And it's never too old for us to work on our dreams, to chase on our dreams. Tama po ba? Wala naman pong matanda eh, di ba? So no matter where you are from now, kung nasaan man kayo ngayon, ano po, your dreams are valid. Valid po yan. Kahit anong pangarap, go for it. Chase for it. Elevate your dreams. Huwag po tayo matakot. Huwag po nating i-compromise yung ating pangarap dahil sa convenience natin. Hello? Kasi ito lang ako. No. And then it is through our dreams that makes it really happen. And then tatandaan po natin that the distance, no, between our dreams and our reality is the so-called action. Kaya kailangan, yung dreams natin, wag lang po natin siyang hayaan na pangarap lang siya. Kasi kung hindi natin yan aaksyonan, ay mananatili po yung bangungot. Bangungot hallucinations. Okay po? So I hope that the power of dream is really very, very important. Naalala nyo yung why kanina? Make that why crystal clear, vivid, okay po? Sa atin na hindi ka papayag na hindi mo maaabot yung inyong mga pangarap. Pangarap na maging diamond, sige, gawin mo. Whatever it takes. Kailangan mong magtrabaho, kailangan mong matulog ng ilang oras na lang, do it. Kasi ako po, when I was running into that, ang tulog ko, kunti lang. Akala ko nga nung nag-diamond na ako, that's it, no? Pero parang pakiramdam ko, the more na dumami po ang aking pong trabaho. But it's okay, I am decided to take this full energy in a very short span of time kasi I know time will come, kakaway-kaway ka na lang. Hello? Sa tingin mo, pag nagaya na tayo kay Upline Fernan na Crown Diamond, what your life would be if you are already a Crown Diamond. But wait, there's more. Hindi pa tapos sa Crown Diamond. Mayroon pang susunod. Grabe naman si Live Good, no? So number 4, nangarap ka na, then plant the seed of desire. Desire. Pag nanasa, yung mga kalalakihan dyan, di ba? Nung naliligaw kayo sa mga asawa nyo, kahit bumabagyo, talagang tatawid at tatawid kayo kasi nandyan yung matindi yung pagnanasa. At alam nyo po ba yung desire na yan? That you have to plant the seed of desire in your heart na gusto mo talagang maging successful. At yan lang po talaga ang kailangan po natin kasi lahat po tayo magiging successful. As human beings, we are created by God to become successful, and succeeding is our destiny. However, as human beings, we're given the gift of choice. Yung choice na yan na tayo ang pipili if you want to become a loser or we want to become a winner. At para mag-manifest po yan, we need to have the seed of desire in our heart na gusto natin talagang maabot yan. Pansinin mo, kung wala po tayong pagnanasa, pag wala po tayong obsession, mangyayari ba ang mga gusto nating mangyari? Wala. Parang, okay, it's not for me. Hello? Okay. So are you learning so far? So malapit na po ako matapos. And number 5 is discipline. Alam niyo po yung discipline, ito po yung nagko-connect kung nasaan po tayo ngayon at saka sa pupuntahan po natin. And then, it takes sweet, no? Yung it takes pawis, no? And determination and hard work to really achieve your goal. At ito pong mga winners na to, ito po yung mga ordinary na mga tao na meron pong strong determination. My question is, do you have that kind of determination in your heart that you possess, that you are willing to do whatever it takes? With a determined mind, plus a strong will, then it will gives you the unlimited possibilities. Isipin mo yung bakit ba ako nasa determination? Nasa discipline pa pala ako. Sorry po, no? So it takes discipline. Sorry, no? Nag-jump po ako. Okay. We need to have this discipline. Alam niyo yung discipline na hindi porket ikaw ay, babalik po ako, no? Hindi porket wala ka namang boss, wala namang nagmamanage sa'yo. Okay lang yun. Kahit sinasabi natin na full-time, ano ba yan? We have to have this part-time. But we have that full-time attitude. It takes discipline for you to do that. It takes discipline for us to reach our goal. Kung wala po tayo nun, how could it be? And then it takes also, we need also to have this determination. Okay? Ano naglabo-labo po yata ako. And next one is number 6. Sorry po ha, kasi last minute ko po ito ginawa. Sorry. Declare no excuses. You want to become successful, declare no excuses. Declare no excuses. You want to become successful, declare no excuses. Because excuses are well-planned lies. Mga plinanong kasinungalingan. Totoo po yun. Masakit. Pero people who are bounded with many excuses, our majority, they are the people who are truly failures. Kasi puro na lang dahilan. At ang mga taong mahilig pong gumawa ng mga excuses, it marks our integrity. It affects our credibility. And in this business, we need trust. We need to establish that form of integrity. Kaya avoid po natin yung mga excuses na yan. Okay po? Excuses are nothing but well-planned lies. So I'm about to finish. Number 7, ayun po yung determination na diniscuss ko po kanina. If you are determined, you have that determined mind, okay, plus the strong will, it will give you the endless possibilities. If you have that discipline, okay, the drive and the determination, pag nagsama-sama po yan, wala po yang imposible. And number 8 is the dedication. Dedicated ka ba sa ginagawa mo? Ako po, pag hindi ko po naayos yung aking mga speakers, kung sino po yung line-up ko, hindi po talaga ako makatulog. Aayusin ko po yan before I go into bed. Kailangan ayusin ko po. You have to be organized. If you are dedicated, you have to be organized. Determination is nothing without dedication plus hard work. Masasabi mo na dedicated ka if alam mo sa sarili mo na ginagawa mo yung pinaka-best part mo. Hello? Staying dedicated, it won't happen overnight. Hindi po yan nagagawa sa isang gabi lang. It takes consistency to do it. And absolute dedication is really what keeps us ahead. Kaya may nauuna, may nahuhuli, depending upon yon kung how dedicated we are. At once tayo po ay dedicated sa bagay na ginagawa po natin, it gives us confidence. It builds us confidence. And once we are dedicated on our desire na gusto natin talagang matuto ng mga skill sets na yan, okay? Alam niyo po ba that skills, once you are developing certain skills one at a time, it will build your confidence. At pag nagkakaroon ka ng confidence sa bagay na ginagawa mo, it will drive you to take more actions kasi confident ka na eh. Eh kung lagi kang nakikinig sa mga Zoom, alam niyo po ba ako, for 4 months and a half, I think, hindi po ako nag-present ng kahit isang beses. Wala po akong ginagawa kundi naka-plug in lang po ako kay Upline Fernan. Kaya ang tawag ko po sa Live Good, Sisiw, Mani, Popcorn. Kasi naabot ko po yung platinum, almost diamond, nasa bahay lamang po ako. Nakikipag-usap sa tao, all straight. And I set up my 90-day game plan na kung saan nireset ko uli, nirenew ko uli. And I have that focus because I want to be dedicated on my job. I observe speed and I observe momentum in building my business. And it takes dedication to do it. Kaya yung sinasabi ko po na plug in sa system, bunga po ako ng plugging in. Nag-platinum po ako na hindi nga po ako nagpakapi sa labas. Pero I am generating sales. Nagtatawag po ako, nag-i-invite po ako ng mga tao. Sinasabi ko pa, asan ka dyan? Raise your hand o kaya picturean mo. Send mo sa akin, asan ka dyan? Anong pangalan mo? Ganun ako kakulit nun. Ganun ako kakulit mag-follow up sa aking mga prospects. And it takes dedication for you to do that. Kasi kung wala lang. Dumating ka ba? Hindi. Di ba parang ganun lang? Lang. Di ba? So after this dedication, I hope you are learning so far, is this stage of devotion. Alam niyo po ba yung devotion na yan, that is the price of success. Dedication, hard work, and unremitting devotion to the things that you want to happen, it's so fulfilling. Alam niyo po ba yung devotion, ito yung time na dumarating ka na bagot ka na sa sarili mo pag hindi mo na-achieve yung gusto mo. Ako po, medyo nag-focus po ako on duplication, on duplication, on training of my team. Medyo, kasi organic po yung aking pagkuha ng tao. Wala pa naman po ako sa automation. Wala namang ganon. So organic, dumating din po ako sa point na hindi na ako nakakapagpalipad ng landing page, pero ngayon talagang ini-start ko na po. So, it takes devotion, no, na hindi ka napapayag sa sarili mo, na hindi mo ginagawa yung mga bagay na normally ginagawa natin. And lastly, pag ikaw ay fully devoted ka na, it is doing an absolute best that you can for something that you want to do, doing it whatever it costs. Okay po? And the last D that I would tell you, this is the stage of delight. Live Good family, try to close your eyes. I-feel nyo si Live Good. Damhin yung mabuti si Live Good. Gaano kaganda si Live Good. Na meron tayong mga produktong factory price. Meron tayong mga produktong unmatched quality na sa murang halaga na mag-share tayo sa mga tao para turuan silang maging healthy, maging stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Gagawin natin na hindi butas ang ating bulsa. Na kaya mong gawin to nang walang hirap kasi naiunawaan mo na yung ginagawa mo sa Live Good is really a mission of dedicating, a mission of sharing to people, because Live Good is totally a brilliant platform. Sabi nga po, this industry is broken and it has to be fixed. And I thank God because Ben Glinsky, once upon a time, he decided to stop network marketing. But praise God, dahil binigyan siya ng wisdom, the complete wisdom to come up with this kind of business, the subscription that pays, the kind of subscription that generates income. So with this, I would like to take this last opportunity to thank to my upline na I am so ever grateful to Upline Fernan. And this is my piece of advice to everybody. Please maging diligent po tayo, maging sincere po tayo, maging genuine po tayo sa pag-share ng opportunity sa Live Good. Kasi ako po, kung hindi po ako binalikan ng upline ko, at kung hindi po ako nag-pray nung time na yon, nasabi ko, Lord, you said na mayroon kang sinarang pinto, may bintana kang bubuksan. Sabi mo sa Jeremiah 19:11, for I know the plans I have for you, the plans to prosper you and not to harm you, the plans to give you hope and a future. And I claim that, Lord. And I still thankful to my upline, Fernan Santiago, na shinare mo talaga sa akin yung opportunity. Grabe. Kaya yung upline natin, mahalin natin yan. Because our upline is our lifeline. Allow me to end this. Ang dami po nating mga natututunan sa buhay. But make this Deuteronomy chapter 8 verse 17 to 18 be our words coming from the Lord. That you may say to yourself that the power and the strength of these hands the power and the strength of my hands have produced this wealth for me. But remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth. Kailangan po nating magdasal. Kailangan po nating mag-pray. Nandito na po tayo sa napakagandang opportunity na ipinagkaloob. Hingin po natin yung intervention ng Lord na tulungan tayo at gabayan tayo na magawa po natin ito kagaya ng nagawa ng ating mga upline. And last, the Proverbs 3:5-6, trust in the Lord with all your hearts. Do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He will direct your path. So dito po, ito pong mga salita na to, ito po ay buhay. Buhay na mga salita. Panghawakan po natin yan at i-involve natin ang Diyos sa ating pong negosyo. And I'm telling you, God will do the rest. So with that, maraming salamat po. And thank you, Coach Fernan, Upline Fernan, and Coach Ferds for allowing me to be here in this Zoom and to share to you about a little knowledge that I have. And I hope and I pray na lahat po ay may napulot po na aral dito po sa training na ginanap ko for tonight. Thank you and God bless.
Wow.